You ready to go, Mr. Ranger? All right, let's go. Happy, super duper happy Saturday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy. In your neck of the woods, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way to the beautiful, beautiful town of Hera, Oklahoma, where Mr. Ranger Dog's going to get checked out for his cough at the veterinary clinic, and we're going to pick up his Ranger Dog prescriptions and whatnot. And then we're going to head up to beautiful Edmond, Oklahoma, on the north side of Oklahoma City, where I'm going to meet my friend Kevin and help him install an attic ladder. Just a little part of the dealio for exchange for the electricity and a little spot I use on his property where I stay at most of the time, sometimes, whatnot, and all that groovy jazz and the old VW bus. So that's the plan. After I get down there, I'll head up to beautiful, beautiful Ponca City, see my mom for the rest of the weekend. So that's the big plan, big traveling plans for this Saturday. So, without further ado, let's get it rolling, shall we? Is Ranger at the puppy dog doctors? Are you at the puppy dog doctors? We're at the puppy dog doctors. Yeah, that'd be alright. You knew something was up. Alrighty, folks. Just got done here at the veterinary clinic. Mr. Ranger Dog definitely has kennel cough. He got him a shot. He got him some antibiotics. He got him some more carprofen. They actually dropped the dosage since he's doing so well, and all that jazz. So everything else looked good. His heart looks good. His breathing is a little heavy. That could be from the carprofen here, but that's why every 6 months they give them blood work to make sure his liver's doing okay and all that jazz. So Mr. Ranger Dog is happy dappy we're going, and he knew we were going to the vet inside. He did not like that. But we're done, huh? He was such a good boy. He was such a good boy. Yes, he was. Yes, he was. Alrighty, folks. Now we're going to head on up to Edmond, Oklahoma, and meet my friend up there to do some work to put an attic ladder in. But Mr. Ranger Dog got him a shot, and he got him some pills, antibiotics for next week, and his back pills. So, alrighty, folks. That means Mr. Ranger Dog's got his stuff on Mr. Ranger Dog. Look at y'all, Mr. Ranger Dog stuff. Alrighty. Yes, I'm just silly. Alrighty, folks. I'll see you when I see you. Alright. Mr. Ranger Dog and I made it safe and sound to my mom's house. I got the attic ladder installed, safe and sound. Took a little chunk out of my finger, but got it installed. It's all good. So Mr. Ranger Dog, he's doing much better. Of course, you know, he got a shot today and got some pills and whatnot. So until we see you beautiful people tomorrow, thank you for tagging along with Mr. Ranger Dog and I today. We appreciate it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know when those moments will change. Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.